More big news for Portable. They don't dash Portable one of the latest Mercedes-Benz convertible. And who give Portable this Benz? No other than the one and only Port Harcourt billionaire or Churchill. Man, this guy don't surprise Portable. Wanna see the joy when we say comfortable. As soon as Portable see the car, Portable mind day. And the guy don't say normally I end up prepare security where go drive the car with Portable straight to Lagos. May nobody disturb her. Man, this is good news for Portable. Because now the same Portable of recent, now that they laugh online, say the Mercedes-Benz you have buy, say pay 4 million and not pay finish. My brother say, when people start to mock you down, God will raise a helper for you. Mona say, I don't know, this Portable grace, is just too much. Mona see this Portable on the car.
To do next is that you make arrangement with a policeman and her, they are going to take the car with security, how they're going to take the car quietly to Lagos to him this morning. This morning. So we'll look for one policeman and go with the car to Lagos. See your motor. Your motor they come back. Portable, jump better side, jump better side. Jump better side. Jump better side, motor. Oh my brotherhood! Brotherhood! This is from brotherhood to brotherhood.
God bless you, brotherhood. You know go spoil for you, brotherhood. But you know spoil your brotherhood. You help your brotherhood. You cover your brotherhood. God will cover you, brotherhood. Wow, that's all. The damn Tata of Abuja International. Now you give me compassion.
Hey. Look here. Portable. Look.
Brother, it's okay. Where's the car key? You know, sir, where's the car key? Portable. The car key they there. So when you come in the morning, no problem. Your car key is there. Portable.
God bless you.
Come here.
Women are saying women. Don't worry. Oh yeah.
Portable. I want to see something. Portable. My younger brother, they make an election. I share over 100. At the end of the day,
I'm not doing promotion. You go enter.
There are no best.
There are no best.
And they give you this car. Portable, I want you to go and
I'll work for you.
No, you don't even need to work for me. I love what I get for you. Portable, when you drive this car when you tire, come back and go give you Rolls Royce.
God bless you.
When you drive this car when you tire, you come back and give Rolls Royce.
You don't promise me now. God will bless my helper. More. My helper. God will bless my helper. God. So my helper.